To use a Fashion Nova gift card, start by visiting the Fashion Nova website or visiting a store location. If you are shopping online, click on the shopping cart icon in the top right corner of the page and then click on Checkout. If you are in a store, let the cashier know you would like to use a gift card as payment. Next, enter your gift card number and PIN, which can be found on the back of the card. If you are shopping online, you will enter this information in the payment section of the checkout process. If you are in a store, the cashier will ask you for the gift card information. After entering your gift card information, click Apply or let the cashier know you have entered the information. The gift card balance will then be applied to your order. If your order total is more than the gift card balance, you will be prompted to enter a secondary payment method to cover the remaining balance. It is also important to note that Fashion Nova gift cards can only be used on Fashion Nova merchandise and cannot be used to purchase gift cards or applied to previous purchases. Additionally, gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be exchanged for cash. To check the balance of your gift card, you can visit the Fashion Nova website and click on the gift card balance link at the bottom of the page. You will then enter your gift card number and PIN to view your current balance. By following these steps, you can easily use your Fashion Nova gift card to make a purchase online or in store. Remember to always keep your gift card information secure and only use it for legitimate purchases.